Hi, I'm Gina Asoudegan, VP of Mission and Regenerative Agriculture at Applegate. So there's a lot of talk about carbon, and carbon is really important, but it's not everything. Regenerative agriculture is about a holistic system. So just focusing on one aspect of that system, like carbon, is sort of the antithesis of a holistic system. Regenerative agriculture improves the water holding capacity of the soil. It improves biodiversity. It improves the overall health of the ecosystem. What I love about regenerative agriculture or regeneration is this idea that the earth can regenerate itself, that we can undo damage. You know, we're bombarded with these messages that say, don't do this, don't eat that, because this or that will kill you. Well, how about we do this because it protects what we love? I think that's a message that would resonate with everybody right now.